In today's video, we're going to show you how to create and manage policies in Iperius One. Inside the Policies section, you can configure different types of rules that can be applied to one or multiple devices. To create a new policy, go to the Policies section, then click on Add Policy. You'll then be able to define a new criterion. There are 4 types of criteria you can choose from. The first one is scheduling. This allows you to define when backups should run. You can set daily backups, weekly backups, monthly backups, or even yearly schedules. This is especially useful to automate your backup strategy. Next, we have operating system patches. With this policy, you can control how and when system updates are installed. You can choose specific update categories such as security updates, critical updates, drivers, and service packs. This helps keep your system secure and up to date without manual intervention. The third option is hardware monitoring. This policy lets you monitor system performance and receive alerts when certain thresholds are exceeded. This is very useful to prevent performance issues or hardware failures. Finally, we have status monitoring. This allows you to receive notifications whenever a device connects or disconnects. Once your policy is created and saved, it will appear in the policy list. Here you can quickly view useful details such as the creation date and the last update. You can also easily manage your policy at any time by editing or deleting it.